Okay, guys, let us start the class. All of you ready? Is all of you can view my screen? Sandeep?
Yes,
Good. Everyone can view my screen? Hello?
sir.
Everyone can view my screen? Can you view my screen?
Yes, screen is visible.
So in the last class, we discussed about what is Salesforce first point. The Salesforce is a vendor company like Microsoft. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. The company's CEO is Mark Benioff. This company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. After that, we discussed about there are three important persons in IT industry. That is vendor company people, service-based companies, and clients. Vendor company people manufacture their own software products. Using these products, service-based companies are developing the software applications as per the requirement of the clients, and clients are using the software applications in their business. Understand everyone here? This is the relation between all the three people. So this is the point in the last class we discussed. After that, we were discussing about what are the advantages of using software applications. What are the advantages? What are the benefits of using software applications? First advantage, time saving. Second advantage, security. Last advantage, what? Scalability. So these are the three important advantages. These are the three important benefits we discussed in the last class. And today I'm going to start with what are the difficulties of using software applications and how these difficulties are overcome by cloud computing. What is cloud computing? All these points we are going to discuss in today's session. Okay, guys? Now I'm going to start the second day. Today is the second day. Regarding yesterday's class, if anyone have any doubts, you can ask the questions. Pawan, Sai, Sandeep.
Nothing, sir. No doubts.
Okay. Now I'm going to discuss about what are the difficulties or what are the intricacies of using software applications. This is the point you need to understand first. If you understand the difficulties, then only you can understand the advantage of cloud computing. So let us take a small example. Suppose I have a company called XYZ company. And in this company, some employees are working. To run his business properly, smoothly, effectively, okay, to get more profits, okay, I need some software application. So I given this project to develop this application. I given the project to a development company called TCS. So in this example, what is TCS represents? It's a development company or service-based company, yes or no?
Yes. Service-based.
Yes. So development company, service-based company, TCS point of view, who am I? Who is XYZ company? Is a client. So TCS need to develop the application. TCS need to develop the application as per the client requirement. If TCS wants to develop the application as per the client requirement, TCS need minimum three things. That is one programming language. Second one database product. Third one operating system. So without programming language, without database, and without operating system, development company cannot develop the application for any company. Okay, so programming language is used to develop the business application. Database is used to store the company information. Operating system, without operating system cannot run. Yes or no? Come on. So these are the three minimum prerequisites to develop the application for any company. Yes or no? All of you accepted this point? Sandeep, Sai, both of you.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So in our example, TCS decided to develop the application using a programming language called ABAP. ABAP is a programming language developed by SAP company. Who is the vendor company developed this ABAP programming language? SAP. And database, they want to use Oracle database as a backend. Oracle database developed by Oracle company. In case of Oracle, product name, company name, both are same. In case of SAP, product name is ABAP, company name is SAP. In case of Oracle, database name is Oracle, company name is Oracle. So product name and company name both are same. And they want to use Windows operating system. This is developed by Microsoft company. In case of operating system, Windows is the product developed by Microsoft company. Okay, these are the three minimum prerequisites to develop the application for any company, for any business. Now, what is my question is, just try to understand this question. Is TCS can use pirated software to develop the application as per the client's need? Sai and Sandeep?
No. They cannot do it.
TCS is not supposed to use what? Pirated software, right? TCS is not supposed to use pirated software, not possible, no. So TCS need to buy original licensed software, okay, from vendor companies. Yes or no? Correct or not? TCS need to purchase original licensed software from vendor companies. Do you know ABAP programming language cost approximately, 10 lakhs. Oracle database cost approximately maybe 15 lakhs. Windows operating system cost approximately, 5 lakhs. So total how much amount? 10 plus 15 plus 5, total 30 lakhs. Total 30 lakhs need to invest by TCS company. Yes or no? Sai and Sandeep. 30 lakhs need to invest by TCS company. Okay, TCS need to buy 3 products from 3 vendor companies. That is SAP, Oracle, and Microsoft respectively. Yes or no?
Yes.
All the 3 products. Using all the 3 products, TCS company develop the application or develop the project as per the client requirement. Completed. Excuse me, Sandeep, Sai, listen carefully. project completed, project testing is also completed. Then TCS need to deploy the application at the client's place. So deploy the application at the client's place means tomorrow onwards, client and client employees. Tomorrow onwards, client and client employees are going to use the application. Yes, yes or no? If the
Yes.
client wants to use a application, even client systems also should contain Windows operating system, also contain Oracle database as a backend, and also a web programming language. Then this application can run. Why? Because this application developed by TCS, they developed on which operating system? Windows operating system. Suppose client systems contains Linux operating system. Let us assume like this. Client systems contains Linux operating system. Then is TCS, whatever application they developed, is this application can run on Linux operating system or not? No, it does not work. Yes, sir. Why? Application developed on system here on Windows operating system. Correct or not? That is why this application cannot run on what? Linux operating system. That is why client also need to, buy this operating system, Oracle database, and a web programming language from 3 vendor companies. So also, client need to invest how much? 13 lakhs. Also need to invest by whom here? Come on. Client, that is XYG company. Yes or no? In our example. So total 30 lakhs invested in this company and another 30 lakhs invested by XYG company. So total 60 lakhs business. Total 16 lakhs business coming to total 16 lakhs business coming to vendor companies. Did you understand what I'm speaking here? Total 16 lakhs business coming to whom here? Vendor companies. Now tell me, among development company, client, and vendor, among these 3 people, who is getting more business?
Vendor companies.
So among these 3 people, vendor companies getting more business revenue than client and development company. Am I clear this point? Hello? Can you hear me?
Sir.
Yes.
Good. Now, one more important point. Suppose today TCS developed this application based on these 3 products. Is TCS can use all these 3 products lifelong forever and ever?
No.
No, sir.
They give the license maximum 2 or 3 years or maximum 5 years. Yes or no? Come on.
Yes, yes.
Maximum 3-4 years. After that, again, both development companies and as well as clients, they need to, what is this? Renewal the software. Yes or no?
Yes.
Renew the license. And one more important point, we are in the IT field. In the IT field, the major problem is software versions keep on changing. Yes or no? Am I correct or not? Software versions keep on changing. Okay. It is not constant. Year by year, maybe some time to time, versions keep on changing. So whenever version will change, accordingly, both development companies and clients, they need to, upgrade the software. Correct or not? Upgrade the version. Whenever they upgrade the version, again, they have to install the version, install the software. Also, they have to maintain the software. They have to maintain the software. Upgradation, installation, and maintenance. What is the meaning of maintenance? Maintenance means both the clients and development companies, they need to maintain their own database servers. They need to maintain their own networks. They need to maintain their own firewalls. They need to maintain their own application servers. Yes or no? These are all comes under what? Maintenance. Unfortunately, maybe database server is crashed. Again, what they have to do? Again, they have to take the backup. Again, they have to reinstall the database server. It's all about cost. Yes or no? Come on.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So the major problem, the major difficulties of using software applications are both clients and development companies, they need to keep on upgrading the software. They need to install the software, and also they need to maintain the software on their own. It leads to increase what? It leads to increase the, what is this? Setup cost. It leads to increase the setup cost. Cost will increase day by day, like anything, for both clients and as well as development companies. These are the three major problems of using software applications. Understand all of you? What are the problems?
Yes.
These are the three problems. These three problems increases the setup cost. That is why because of the cost, only top level, or I can say premium level companies are using software applications in their business, but not small or medium level. Come on. Try to understand this point. Because of this particular cost, only top level companies are using software applications in their business, but not smaller medium level companies. Maybe Sandeep got it out. Sir, how can we say this statement? How can we say only top level companies are using software applications? Why not small and medium level companies? Let me give a small example. You people know about KFC company. Yes or no? Sai and Sandeep.
Yes.
KFC restaurant. Suppose I go to the KFC restaurant, I ordered one burger. If I ordered one burger, there is a person who is standing. Tell me, in the KFC restaurant, did you see any computers? There is a computer system. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Restaurant, KFC or McD or maybe Papa John's or maybe other restaurant. There we can see some computer system. Inside the computer system, there is a software applications running. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So as a customer, if I ordered one burger and the person feeds the order into the computer system, then this application will generate one bill. Okay. I need to wait for some time. After that, I will get the order, right? Come on, speak out.
Yes.
So is KFC using software application to run the business or not?
Yes.
Suppose in Hyderabad, okay, there is a small bakery is there. Let us assume. So I go to the bakery. I ordered the same burger. Almost bakery business, KFC business, almost same. I ordered one burger. The person who is standing in front of the counter, he just takes my order. And give the order. That's it. Yes or no?
Yes.
We do not maintain any computer, and inside the computer there is no application is running, right?
Right.
Means why KFC using software application to run the business? Why not bakery? Though both business are almost same. Answer is very simple. What is the answer is? KFC across the world having branches, yes or no? Lots of branches. KFC business turnover in crores, correct or not? But whereas bakery, only one branch in Hyderabad, only one branch. But bakery turnover is how much maximum in a year? Thousands or lakhs, yes or no?
Yes.
So that is why the bakery owner cannot afford what? Setup cost. That is why bakery owner do not use what? Software applications in their business. But whereas KFC, business turnover in crores. That is why KFC can afford what? Setup cost. That is the reason KFC using software application in his business. So according to this example, what I understand is, I can say KFC is a top level company, whereas bakery is a small company. Yes or no? Come on, speak
Yes.
out. For example, very beautiful example I given here, right? So according to this example, what I understand is, only top level companies are using software applications, but not small companies or medium level companies. Why small and medium level companies are not using? Answer is very simple. What is this? They cannot afford what?
Cost.
Setup cost. Am I clear at this point? Everyone?
Yes.
Sir.
Fine. But in the entire world, top level companies are more, small and medium level companies are more.
Small and medium.
Small medium.
Small and medium level companies are more than top level companies. Okay. If the small and medium level companies also using software applications, then automatically vendor companies getting more business. Yes or no?
Yes.
Number of customers are more here rather than what top level companies. If number of customers are using the software applications, if more number of customers are using software applications, then automatically you can improve your business, right? For example, okay, I wear Calvin Klein company t-shirt. What is the t-shirt name? Calvin Klein company t-shirt. Okay. This t-shirt costs 10,000 rupees. Very expensive. Tell me how many people can afford 10,000 rupees t-shirt in India? Out of maybe 100 people, maybe 5 people or 10 people can afford a server, approximately,
Yes.
right? So if 5 people buy this product with the cost of 10,000 rupees, company will get how much business? 50,000 business, right? Suppose if Calvin Klein company, okay, give the discount on this t-shirt. This 10,000 t-shirt cost they given for 3,000 only. Let us assume like. Then out of 100 people, how many people can afford? 70 people can afford, yes or no? Approximately 70 people. 70 into 3,000? 2,10,000 rupees, yes or no? Means that if you reduce the cost of the t-shirt from 10,000 to 3,000, then automatically number of customers are increasing. If number of customers are increasing, then automatically you get more business profit or more business revenue, right?
Right.
Correct or not? The same logic you have to follow. What is the logic? We have to reduce the cost. But how to reduce the cost? How to reduce the cost? This is the question arises. This is the question arises in the vendor companies. That is why vendor companies come up with a new concept. Name is called, what is this? Cloud computing. This is the question arises. How to reduce the cost in the vendor companies. That is why vendor companies come up with a new concept name is called cloud computing. What is cloud computing and how cloud computing reduces the cost and how cloud computing overcome all these burdens from both client side and as well as development company side. So that is a point I'm going to discuss now. All of you understand?
Yes.
The last half an hour, whatever points we discussed, is all of you understand all the points? Any doubts?
Yes.
All the
Yes.
points, I just explain like a story. I hope you understand this particular small story. Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. So what is cloud computing? How cloud computing overcome all these problems, overcome all these burdens, which are handled by both clients and development companies. That is a point I'm going to discuss next 20 minutes. Listen the class very carefully and try to understand what I'm speaking here. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing, it is a concept or it is a technology. In this technology, in this concept, whatever IT services we need, whatever IT services we need, everything will provide by vendor company. As a user, we just need only internet and access those services. Did you understand this point?
Yes.
Everyone, please try to understand this paragraph. Understand, Pavan and Sandeep. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
For a technology, here, whatever IT services we need, all the IT services are provided by whom here? Vendor company. As a user, we just need only internet connection and access those services. Am I clear this?
Yes.
For your understanding, Sandeep and Sai, okay, let me give a small example. See, if I do not give the example, you can't understand the concept easily. That is the reason for everything I'm giving the example. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, if I give the example so that you can understand the concept clearly. And also you can remember the concept easily forever and ever, okay? See here. Example, what is my example is, suppose I want to check my mails and also I want to take printout every day. Point clear? This is my requirement. Everybody, both of you, please try to understand this. I want to check my emails and also I want to take the printout every day. Hello?
Yeah.
Sir. Yes, sir.
This is my requirement. Okay? This is my requirement. Every day I want to check the mails and also whatever mails I got, I want to check it and also I want to take some mails printout every day. This is my requirement. Tell me, if I want to check the mails, if I want to take the printout, first of all, I need to buy a laptop. Yes or no? Minimum configuration laptop, okay? And also I need to buy one printer to take the printout. And also I need to buy some white papers. And also I need to take internet connection. Yes or no?
Yes.
Just rough calculation. Laptop cost approximately nowadays how much cost? 50,000. Minimum configuration. Yes or no? Printer cost approximately 10,000. White papers cost approximately maybe 500 rupees per month. Internet charges every month maybe 1,000 rupees or 1,500. Total 50 plus 10, 60 plus 60 to 65,000 rupees I need to spend. Yes or no?
Yes.
So 60,000 rupees I need to, how much I need to invest? I need to invest. Tell me one simple question I'm asking. Instead of investing 60,000 rupees unnecessarily, simply I go to some internet center. Simply I go to internet center nearby my home. In this internet center, can I check my mails?
Sir, you can check.
Yes, I can check the mails in the internet center. Yes or no? Can I take the internet center? Sandeep and Sai,
You can check, sir.
Yes.
we can check the mails, you can take the printout in the internet center. Now tell me in the internet center, who provide all these facilities? Who given the laptop? Who given the printer facility? Who given the white papers to take the printout? Who given the internet service? All services are provided by internet center owner. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sir.
We are maintaining internet center, that person providing all these services, correct? I simply go to the internet center, I can use all the services, how much I want, whatever I want. I just pay the amount and come back. Yes or no? I no need to invest how much? 60,000 rupees. Tell me which is better? This is better, this is better.
Then pay is better, sir.
Maybe Sandeep got it up. Maybe what is Sandeep's doubt, sir? If it is single time investment, sir, it is one time investment. But if you go to internet center, every day you have to go to internet center. I think this is better than this. That is Sandeep doubt. Okay, I too accept your answer. But the point is, unfortunately, okay, after 2 months or 3 months, my printer got some problem. Or maybe my laptop got damaged. Again, I have to invest some amount or not.
Yes.
60,000 rupees not single time investment. Every time I have to, if something is happening wrong, again I have to invest some extra amount. Yes or no? This is all
Yes.
comes under maintenance, right? So
Yes.
instead of buying all these things unnecessarily, simply I go to internet center, I can check my mails, I can take the printout, I pay the amount and come back. Suppose if I'm using 30 minutes in the internet center, I have to maybe pay 20 rupees. That's it. If I'm using 1 hour, I have to pay maybe 40 rupees. That's it. If I'm using 3 hours, I have to maybe pay 100 rupees. That's it. Maybe the fourth day, I'm using only 10 minutes, I have to pay only 5 rupees. I don't need to pay anything extra. How much amount I'm using in the internet center, accordingly I have to pay. I don't need to pay anything extra, right? Come on. This is called a pay-per-use model. What is this? This is called which model here? Pay-per-use. Whatever services we are using and how much service we are using, for that service only we need to pay. You don't need to pay anything extra.
Hmm.
This part of the explanation. I think this is better rather than this one, right? Or not?
Yes.
So you don't need to buy the laptop, you don't need to buy the printer, you don't need to buy the white papers, you don't need to take the internet connection. Because all these services are given by internet center owner, right?
Sir.
Right.
Same way, in cloud computing also, whatever services we need, all IT services are given by whom here? Vendor
Intercompany.
company. The way how internet center owner provide all these services, same way, here also, vendor company provide what? All IT services, whatever I want. If I want to access these services, I just need only what? Just internet connection. That is enough. If I have internet connection, I can access all the services over the internet. Point clear? I can use all these services, okay, either through laptop either through desktop, either through iPad, or at least you can use your mobile also. We can access. The only thing you should require what? Internet facility. If we have internet facility, we can access all IT services over the through laptop, through desktop, through iPad, through at least your mobile also. You don't need to buy the laptop. You can use your mobile also. Point clear, everyone here?
Yes.
Sir.
So automatically maintenance cost is decreased. Okay, you don't need to upgrade the software. You don't need to install the software. You don't need to maintain the software. Everything will be given by whom here? Vendor company. This is the meaning of cloud computing. In the cloud computing, whatever services we are using and how much service we are using, for those services only we need to pay. You don't need to pay anything extra. That is why this concept name is called pay-per-use model or plug-and-play model. What is this? Understand, Sandeep and Sai?
Yes.
What is the model name? Plug-and-play model or pay-per-use model or IT services and demand model. Okay, we have 3 different names are there. Clear everyone this point? Good. That is why once cloud computing came into the market, both the clients and development companies, they release from the burden of upgrading the software, installing the software, and also what is this? Maintaining the software. This is a traditional approach. So this traditional approach, what is the major drawback? Major problem? Setup cost. This traditional approach we can overcome by using cloud computing. Cloud computing is a new technology, advanced technology. Okay. In the traditional approach, we have so many problems out there. All these problems we can overcome by using this new technology, cloud computing. Cloud computing is a new technology, whereas this one is what? Traditional technology or old technology. So old technology has so many problems. All these problems we can overcome by using a new technology called what? Cloud technology. In the cloud technology, you don't need to maintain the software. You don't need to install the software. You don't need to upgrade the software. All these provided by whom here? Vendor company. Am I clear this part of the explanation? The meaning of cloud computing with this example?
Sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sandeep?
Yes, clear.
Now Sandeep got a doubt here. Sir, I clearly understand the definition of cloud computing with this internet center example. Very much advanced, I understand very much. But I do not understand what kind of services vendor company provides. That is Sandeep doubt. What kind of IT services vendor company provides? Listen carefully. Vendor company provides three types of what is this? IT services. Understand, Sandeep and Sai? Vendor company provides what? Three types of IT services. Did anyone have the idea about this? What are the services? Sandeep and Sai, no one knows? I'll explain. And SaaS. You know what is IaaS stands for? IaaS stands for Sai, Sandeep.
Infrastructure as a service.
Very good. PaaS stands for
Platform as a service.
SaaS stands for
Software as a service.
Software as a service or application as a service, both are same, okay? Okay, look at this. There are three types of services: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Do you know what is the meaning of infrastructure as a service? Any one of you?
A hardware configuration like the servers where client needs to deploy their applications, and those kind of infrastructure like firewall, security system, all these things.
Very good, very good. So majorly hardware, right?
Yeah.
So if any vendor company provide, okay, hardware as a service, that kind of service you can call it as what? Infrastructure as a service. Hardware means it could be a memory space, yes or no?
Mhm.
It could be a database, it could be a servers, it could be networks. Okay, these all comes under what? Infrastructure as a service. Okay,
Yeah.
for your understanding, let me give a small example. See, my explanation always with example only. Concept, example, concept, example. If you understand the example, you can understand the concept easily. Point clear?
Yes.
So, example. The example here, you people know about Google company. Yes or no?
Yes.
1 minute, please. 1 minute, please. Guys, just please wait. 1 minute, please. Just 1 minute, please.
Local కూడా
2 minutes, huh?
okay, okay, yeah.
Okay, guys. So you people know about Google company, and Google company, they given some application called, Gmail application, right? Speak out, all of you.
Yes.
Sir.
And in this, so whoever having Gmail application or Gmail account, those users having something called what? Google Drive, that everybody knows, right? Tell me guys, what is Google Drive? Is
Storage.
Google Drive?
It
Yeah,
stores
it's a
the
memory.
data. Sir.
Yes. So how much memory space they given? Approximately 15 GB. Is it free space or not?
Yes.
So,
So in this particular memory space, we can load your important documents in or any kind of photos, pictures and all. We can store permanently your contact details and all, contact numbers and all, right? So the way how Google company provided their memory space as a free service to all of us, that kind of service we can call it as what here? Speak out. Infrastructure as a service. So am I clear this example, everyone?
Yes.
Sandeep? Good.
Yes. Yes.
And we have something called platform as a service. Okay, what is platform as a service? As I said just 10 minutes ago, okay, as a developer, if you want to develop any application for any company, you need minimum three prerequisites. Yes or no? What is that?
Yes.
Programming language. We need some database, and also we need some operating system. So without OS, without database, without programming language, it is not possible to develop the application for any company, for any business. Whether it is a small application or bigger application, yes or no, you should have what? Minimum three things: programming language, database, and operating system. Yes or no? Speak out, everyone.
Yes.
Okay. So if any vendor company provides all these three as a service, that kind of service we can call it as what? Platform as a service. The programming language which is given by Salesforce is called what? Apex. Apex is a programming language which is given by Salesforce, but database and operating system names they do not disclose officially. Understand, Sandeep and
Yeah.
Sai?
sir,
Yeah.
sir.
Database name, operating system name, they do not disclose officially. They officially announce the programming language name is called Apex. Just like, SAP company, proprietary language name is called ABAP programming language. Am I correct or not? Same way, Salesforce company proprietary language is called what here? Apex. Am I clear this? So,
Yes.
the platform which is given by Salesforce is called Force.com. Force.com platform can also be called as, Lightning platform. All of you understand, guys? Force.com platform or Lightning platform, on which developers can develop the application very quickly. That is, it can be called as RAD. What is RAD stands for? Rapid Application Development. What is the meaning of rapid? Fast application development. If you want to develop the application on Java technology or .NET technology or Python technology or any other technology, if you want to develop the enterprise application, it takes minimum 4 to 5 years time. But the same kind of application, if you want to develop on Force.com platform, okay, hardly it takes 10 months to 1 year time, guys. Why that much of time is reduced when compared to other technologies? Answer is very simple. Because in Salesforce, coding part is very less. In Java, .NET, if you take, coding part is 90% coding part in application development. But whereas in Salesforce, coding part is very less. Only 60% coding and rest of the 40% you can develop through what? Come on, speak out. GUI. Graphical user interface. Coding part is very less. That is the reason we can develop the application very quickly on Force.com platform. Am I clear this part of the explanation about PaaS?
Yes.
Sir,
Both of you. Thank you. And coming to the last and final one, application as a service means what? On this platform, whatever application we develop, if we give this application directly as a service, that kind of service we can call it as what? Application as a service. Again, coming back to the Google company, the Google company given something called Gmail application. Yes or no? Using this
Yes.
application, what we can do? We can send and receive the emails, right? And
Yes.
what my question is, who developed this Gmail application? Vendor company Google. Who maintained the Gmail server? Google company. Who upgraded the Gmail server? Google company. So everything will be maintained by whom here? Google company. As a user, if you want to access this particular application, if you want to utilize this particular application, the only thing you require is what? Speak out.
Internet connection.
If we have internet connection, we can happily access this particular service. We can happily send and receive the emails. The way how Google company provided this application as a service to all of us, I can say this kind of service, we can call it as what? Application as a service or software as a service. So these are the three major services are provided by vendor company over the cloud. That is called infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, or software as a service. Am I clear, all of you? All the three services?
Yes.
Yes or no? So that's all about the today's session. So far, last 1 hour, we discussed about what is cloud computing and what kind of services vendor company provides with examples. I hope you understand all these points, right? And what are
Yes.
the difficulties, what are the intricacies of using software applications, and how these intricacies we can overcome by using cloud computing concept. What is the meaning of cloud computing and what kind of services vendor company provides? I hope all of you enjoy the session today, right? Both Sai and today.
Yes.
So that's all about the today's class. And tomorrow no class, we'll meet on Monday. So Monday, I'll start the next topic. The next topic may be, versions of Salesforce, editions of Salesforce, environments of Salesforce, all these things we'll discuss tomorrow. Clear?
Yes.
On Monday session, don't come on tomorrow. Okay, we'll meet on Monday.
Okay.
Okay, any questions, please, regarding today's class? No questions? Thank you all. Have a nice day. Happy weekend, all of you. Enjoy yourself. Thank you so much. Murali, you are joined today.